Hey guys, here's a video of my log roller that I had put together for my sawmill. Some of you guys are asking for a little better demonstration of it, so here that is. You can see I've got it bolted over there. I've got another video up that has all the dimensions of the length of that piece there, this piece here. It also shows you how I did all the wiring. Mounted the winch here, obviously. Then I ran the wiring here. I've got the circuit breaker here for the relay, and then it goes all the way back to this main hub here on the back side. Those are my junction boxes, so to speak, or whatever you want to call them, the lugs. And then that is fed by these wires here, hooks up with this quick easy attach here. That just pulls out when I slide the head down. It breaks the connection. If you slide it all the way back, it connects it, and then that obviously runs to a breaker and then up to the battery box up there. So here is a demonstration. Usually when I roll my logs, I like to keep my log stop up just in case it kicks out. Then it's just a little safer. The log doesn't worry about the log rolling onto me. So I've got this nifty remote here. We're going to power it up, and then oops. I think I already had it on, so. A little hard to do one-handed. And this log here is, this way is all of 30 inches. It's not as big this way, but it's a pretty solid, heavy log. So that's how it works. If you got any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer your questions right away. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and follow my channel. I like to post a video every couple of days, every week or two on different tips and tricks, things that I do around my homestead to make my life easier and running the sawmill as well. So thanks again for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.